Welcome to Max Thermal Fabricators based in Alberta, Canada. We are the exclusive provider of the Enerpro tank panel system, a complete standing seam double locking panel system for industrial use, used and trusted by the thermal insulation industry for many years. Panels are prefabricated by laminating insulation material with preformed metal jacketing. Wire ropes are installed circumferentially on the tanks at predetermined intervals to support the panels. The panels are fabricated to the height of the storage tanks and include mechanically folded mating seams. The available insulation materials include mineral wool, foam glass, fiberglass, aerogel, supermat, and polyiso of varying thickness with panel jacketing in aluminum, stainless steel, pre-painted galvanized, and galvalume. Our system offers a range of benefits compared to conventional methods. Reduced energy costs. The system provides excellent thermal insulation, ensuring that your tanks maintain optimal temperature, reducing energy costs, and enhancing operational efficiency. Lower maintenance costs. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions and resist corrosion, the panels offer long-lasting protection, minimizing maintenance costs and downtime. Gain on schedule. Significant time on site and related to construction is transferred to manufacturing activities in a workshop-controlled environment, reducing time spent on construction. Reduced installation costs. With conventional systems, insulation pins and cladding supports are required to hold the insulation and cladding to the tank. With this system, metal ropes around the tank hold the prefabricated panels, significantly reducing the need for costly and time-consuming welding work. Prefabricated construction reduces or eliminates scaffolding, reducing equipment cost and field construction work hours. Aesthetic appeal. The system also enhances the visual appeal of your tanks. For cone and dome roofs, the design eliminates heavy steel structures and can provide radial and parallel installation, preventing moisture intrusion and enhancing aesthetic appeal. Minimizes water penetration and corrosion. The design provides robust protection against water penetration. No rims or additional welding next to the support ring are required, minimizing potential corrosion points. With no fibrous materials, our panels feature a closed cell structure that reduces risk of water absorption, offering better insulation values and minimizing under-insulation corrosion. Max Thermal Fabricators offers tailored solutions to meet your specific requirements, including custom sizes and configurations. Our skilled team will work closely with you to determine specific requirements, including for irregularly shaped equipment. Visit www.maxfab.ca or call us today to learn more about how the standing seam double locking panel system can benefit your next project.